We're laughing because she thought the video was on and she said something funny. You can see that right now. I deserve that too. I do not deserve that.
Stop it. I have a broken finger.
Not.
Well, as you can see, this is us sitting in the kitchen. Because we just got
Like part 1 and part 2.
and
we
part
just
3.
finished.
We just finished our milk
Okay, ready?
contest.
Okay, now we fold it up again.
On
Now,
our
we
get
put it
set, go.
Finish! I finally won the game.
No, she didn't. Our glasses were already empty. See?
I would have won anyways.
No, you wouldn't have.
No, you
You wouldn't have. Okay.
It's so nice.
let's just watch the movie.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna watch a movie with popcorn. Do you wanna come? The end is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
0.
9.
Slash Erica's note.
Anyways.
Bye!
Wait.
Oh, sorry.
We will be enjoying our movie with popcorn and candy.
And that movie is,
Roxy Hansa, the Myth
What?
of the Mermaids.
but she's a little older now. So, you probably heard her right. She was in a Halloween movie, actually. The same one, but Halloween, you know. Halloween movie. Halloweenish.
It's for Halloween,
Yeah,
okay?
this is a Halloween, haunted house movie.
Anyway.
She's like a little detective, but I think she turned into a mermaid. I can't wait. Now we're gonna make a popcorn. We're gonna
Anyways,
do you guys wanna watch the popcorn explode in our faces?
we're not making it homemade popcorn. We're putting popcorn in the microwave. We're out of popcorn butter spray. I just said we're out of popcorn butter spray. Were you paying attention?
No.
Okay. As you can, I can see that.
Good in the
Eric is slow. Hey! I resemble that.
Erica.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
With the pour-over cheddar.
Ooh, I love cheddar.
No, you don't.
Can I have the box?
Then why are you telling me?
Popcorn. We're gonna love it.
This old man is not the star of the show. I am.
Oh man. Oh. I was covering the old man.
Oh. Okay, so your thumb's not the star of the show.
You ain't the star of this show. I am.
She was talking about your finger then. Oh,
Our popcorn. Popcorn. Yeah.
Popcorn.
Us opening the
reason-
popcorn.
Us looking at the popcorn.
Us opening the popcorn.
Us trying to open the popcorn.
I have a broken finger. What do you expect? Let's solve it.
I'm sorry. Me saying sorry.
okay,
to
you're
her.
big bossy.
Who, me?
Olivia.
Grab the webcam so we
What
can
is
go.
this?
The pour over cheddar.
Cheddar.
Grab the webcam so we can walk over there towards the microwave so they can watch us pop the popcorn.
Pop, pop, pop. And as we get older and we're allowed to make a webcast, this will be called
Olivia, Mirage, and Erica. Mirage.com.
.com.
Oh. Alright, me walking to the microwave.
I already have my own website.
That's our microwave.
Seriously do.
Isn't it beautiful?
It's hotel called Mirage. Los Angeles.
What is it called?
Me opening the microwave.
It's called. There's a hotel called Mirage. I swear to God.
Mirage means that it's there, but you can't see it.
No, there's a hotel called Mirage.
Erica's in America.
You putting popcorn in the microwave. Closing it.
We should really have our own website.
Popcorn.
You guys.
Pop, pop, pop.
This is the popcorn in the microwave.
It's barely even heated. Because that one right there.
There's Mirage. Wave Mirage.
Here's the cheddar. Cheddar.
Don't move it. I'm trying to
Anyway,
get close to it.
Sorry, let's do old man. Where's the old man?
Look at that. There's no old man.
Oh.
The old man's not on it. Anyways, I'm walking back. As you can see, there's a minute and 20 seconds left on the microwave. Me setting my webcam down. Okay. Watch the popcorn in the microwave.
You pointed.
Because your mom knows your number, not mine.
You're on speaker.
There's only 40 seconds left on the microwave for the popcorn.
I have it on speaker.
Can you hear it?
My mom's gonna pick us me up. I'll be You're not gonna tell her about our videos? Who? By who?
Your mom.
Hello?
2 seconds
Have I
left.
gotten it yet?
And it's done. And that's how you make fabulous popcorn in a microwave.
Mommy, is Michelle there? Who's there?
Mirage just threw her ball.
Hey, you're
Yeah,
gonna
what
party
about-
like it's your birthday.
It's a
Mom,
party
we're
in the
making videos, And it was
USA.
like a milk thing, and I was like the last one done. It was so cool. I hope you pick me up tomorrow because I want you to see it. It's super. Okay. And we made like 30 music videos. Now we're
made like 10.
Now we're like super hyper. And I'm the star of the show.
No, you're not.
She thinks
Alright, I am the star of the show. I love you back. That's rude. Like a party over there. Cool. We're like, I love you back. What? She said that faster than me. She was, because like her friend was Tim, Vicky, her boyfriend, Eliana is always.
Your mom's boyfriend.
Vicky.
Oh.
My dad's at meeting. Cheddar popcorn.
Uh-oh. We're missing the bowl.
Uh-oh. And thank you for the cry with the chance.
Can you stop doing
I got the sardines. This cheddar's awesome.
No, I'm sorry, I have to turn this so they can see the bowl.
Okay, now the bowl is to start the show. Are you replacing it?
Yes, with the bowl.
Can I have the cheddar?
No.
Oh my god, that looks cheddary enough. That's it.
Here.
Look how cheddary
No,
that
it's
looks.
butter.
Why is there so much
It's
butter?
just
That's
butter.
disgusting.
Hello, there's still popcorn in here.
Ew. What kind of popcorn is that?
It doesn't have the cheddar on it.
I have to wait till the cheddar. But like, ugh. That's disgusting.
We are not putting that stuff on it.
We're not putting that on it. We're not putting that on it. Just sit on my lap. This is awkward. This is awkward. Whoa.
This looks like horrible popcorn, doesn't it?
Olivia.
Look, can I try?
Olivia. She's
Well, the cheddar doesn't taste good by itself.
She's
Oh. Spreading the popcorn.
spreading the popcorn,
I'm spreading cheddar on the popcorn.
which looks disgusting.
Oh my god. No oranges. No more cuties.
No more cuties. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, I practically live here because I come here mostly every
No more
week.
cuties.
Ow!
Sorry.
So I know where everything is.
Did I get that on video?
Yes, you did. And
Is your mom picking you up tomorrow?
I don't know. Yeah, she said I think so.
Like,
Now it tastes better.
I don't taste nice. I'm afraid. Me trying the first popcorn of the
oh my gosh, she's dumb. She's like me trying to work.
As you can see, Erica likes it.
Not with the ones with the most cheddar. That's disgusting. No cheddar equals good.
Hot.
I thought you said you love cheddar.
Too much.
Alright, this is us having to sign off now because it's time to watch our video. See you next time.
Music. I mean movie.
Oh yes, movie, video, whatever. Anyways,
Hopefully when we get older we can put this online.
bye.
Look,
We love you
Olivia.
guys.
Olivia.
I don't know you, but
Olivia.
Whatever.